Guys, having finished the repairs of bought my hotel swimming pool on Monday 5 o'clock, Patrick started to refill the pool at a rate of 1 meter cubed for every 10 minutes. That happens. If the pool is full 20 centimeters from the rim, when will the pool reopen? Would you all agree we're not filling that up to 2 meters, are we? We're filling it up to 1.8 or 180 centimeters, because 2 meters is actually 200 centimeters, isn't it? Take away 20 centimeters. Would you all agree? 1.8. Now, let's get the volume of the water. The volume of the water is the same shape as the container it's within. So it's essentially a box of water, isn't it? So how do we get the volume of the water? Can anybody tell me? 5 by 16 by 1.8. So what's the volume of water required then? 144 meters cubed, is it? Great. Now, what does it say it does? It does 1 meter cubed every. So multiply the answer by 10. And what do we get there? 1,440 minutes. Now, do you want to cheat for this? All right. Here's my cheat. All right. Now, there's this button. If everybody looks at the button here, see the button above the plus. Ever see the button above the plus? Now look at this. 1 hour 15 minutes. Yeah. Ever see that? 1 hour and 15 minutes. Okay. Where's the button above the plus? Okay. And that's 1 hour and 15 minutes. And if I change that to an improper fraction, it's 1 1/4 hours. Okay. Actually, let me show you this a bit better. 0. You ready? What's 0 hours and 90 minutes? What could you rewrite that as? What could you write 0 hours and 90 minutes as? Anybody? 1.5 hours. Check it out. The answer is 1 hour and 30 minutes. Everybody see that button that does that for you? Now, here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to do 0 hours. I'm going to do 0 hours. I'm going to do 1,440 minutes. And what should my calculator do for me? It should convert it into hours and minutes. It's 24 hours. If you actually divide that by 60, it's actually 24 hours. So if it's Monday at 5 o'clock, that's going to take all the way to Tuesday at 5 o'clock. Is that all right? Never specified it was the morning or the evening. You all right? It's 144 meters cubed, not squared. The rest of the calculation is still good though. Is that all right? Good man. Now, all right. Draw a net of the following cereal box. 4 by 15 by 20. Is that all right? So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to use big T or small t. Does everybody agree with that? So I'm going to use small t or big T, one of them, right? So here we go. Ready? Not necessary to scale, but I'll give it my best shot. Okay. This one here can be 15 by 20. Is that all right with you guys? And then either side of that will be 15 by 4. It's almost too big. 15 by 4. So 4 is like quite small. Is that all right that that's 4 by 15? Now what do I have to do here? I grab this and I clone it, and what do I do there? Put it on the other side, don't I? Is that all right? Now, in between this, okay, I have to be really careful here. Give me 1 minute; it'll come apparent in a second. Next, so you're gonna have to do 4 by 15 you're going to have to do 15 by 20, and then you're going to have to do 20 by 4. You have to do all three combinations. So this one here, see the black one? The black one is 4 by 15, and I have two of them, don't I? What's the red one? I only have one of them. Okay. So what I'm going to have to do next is I'm going to have to do what's the one I'm missing? I'm missing 20 by 4, haven't I? So 20 by 4. I'm going to have to do it like this way. 20 by 4. That's 20 by 4, yeah? And then I have to make this one again. See that big one? On the big one. I have to make that one again because it has to be the same size, doesn't it? Then I'm going to have to make this one again. And you can see my big T. It doesn't really look like a T anymore because of the... you have a question? Yes, go on. Oh, is there? Excellent, thank you so much. There's actually an open space at the top of the box. So this is perfect for a closed box, but it's not good for a open box. So I have to get rid of one of the 4 by 15s, don't I? So one of the 4 by 15s has to go. So see this one here? I'll just get rid of that. And there's my net done. Is that all right with you guys? That's your job.